Hi Taylor, let's take a look at finding your semester schedule for the spring semester. Okay, so I'm at the Madison College homepage. You should go ahead and click on current students and then click on, oops, let me move this over a little bit, click on My Madison College. I'm sure what you've been doing is using the regular old login, which is great, but in this case it's not helpful. There's no real good spot to find your entire semester. We'll take a look at that one in a minute. What I want you to do is scroll down and click on Classic Portal. When you click on Classic Portal, log in with your regular Madison College username and password. And I think right when you log in, when I log in, I don't have the same view as you, but I'm pretty sure as a student, when you log in, the first view you see is your academic planner. If not, look for that link that says academic planner and it'll show you your entire list of courses for the spring semester. And in fact, every course is a link so you can click on the course number and get the details for the course as well, like start end dates and stuff like that. Okay, so that's the method I recommend. Let's go back. I'm going to move this guy out of the way. Let's go back and take a look at the regular system. Like if you just click log in. So because I'm your advisor, I can see your view. This is the view that you should have when you log in and click on class schedule. And this is not great, right? Because it's only ever by week. There's no way to show it all at once. So if you use this view, there's a couple of tricks you have to do. First of all, we have to advance until the spring semester starts. Let me get going on that. Oh, it's thinking. Okay, and then there's a little bump in the road because we don't meet for Martin Luther King Jr. Day, that even this week. We start on the Tuesday, but this week doesn't show up. You have to advance to the next week, and that's where your courses will be listed. And your courses are at the top because they're online courses, right? So this list is a good getting started point, but it's not completely accurate because it's only the courses that start in January. So for example, Outlook for you will end in March, and any class that starts in March doesn't show up here. So you have to just advance through and just make sure you're catching all of the classes, especially those that have different kinds of start and end dates and don't last the entire semester through. So I'll also email you a print screen of the semester's courses that I can see as your advisor, and email me back if you have any questions.